All right, happy Monday, everyone. Ito na naman another interesting week, and one of the major news that we have for this Monday is nagkaroon na ng deal sa OPEC, meaning nag-agree na yung mga oil producers na they will cut production. And ano exactly ibig sabihin na they're gonna cut production? So if they're gonna cut production, meaning hopefully ang pinaka-main goal nila is to raise oil prices. Kasi nga dahil nagkaroon nga ng trade war between yung Russia and Saudi Arabia, talagang pabagsakan sila ng price. So ngayon, nakialam si Trump, nakipag-deal siya sa mga oil producers. So ngayon, they came to an agreement. Pero right now, we're not seeing any major price change sa oil. Pero hopefully, this will balance it out during this economic crisis. Kasi, yung oil was heavily affected by the coronavirus. And because dahil doon, yung mga, for example, yung mga airplane, yung mga ships, they've all been stopped. And sila yung pinakamalakas mag-consume ng oil. And without them operating, talagang bumagsak presyo ng oil. Ngayon, the only way to control it is to cut production. So ngayon, we will see some balancing out. Ngayon, yung mga currency na nagre-rely dito such as Canada, baka lumakas sila. Alright? So definitely kasi nagre-rely sila kasi kung gaganda yung whole economy of the oil commodity, talagang gaganda rin ang effect sa Canadian dollar. So definitely to watch that this week. So other than that, hindi naman lang ng mga major news na nakikita ko sa investing.com. And let's see. Let's go to the calendar. Tingnan natin yung calendar natin. Yan. Let's see. New share. Calendar. Okay. So, today, Monday, bank holiday. Medyo patay ang market. So, don't expect any big movements. But we do have an interesting week. Because starting tomorrow, Tuesday, okay, mukhang magpo-post si China, trade balance, sino affected dyan? Definitely si AUD tsaka si NZD. Yung tatlo na yun is the trio that not exactly na naapektuhan yung tatlo na yun whenever there's news on one country. For example, si China kasi, since partner niya si AUD tsaka si NZD, any news sa China has a huge effect on AUD and NZD. However, kung may mga news man sa AUD o NZD, it doesn't really affect China. So parang China yung pinaka-main factor. So we'll see kung ano mangyayari sa AUD Tuesday. Pero tentative pa na wala man tayong time exactly kung mangyayari man yan o hindi. But Wednesday, we do have an interesting day. Kasi Canada, BOC of Canada. So basically, Bank of Canada. Ano yan? Another rate statement. So according here, they're not expecting any rate cut kasi nga because of the whole coronavirus, lahat nag-emergency rate cut. So I don't think they're gonna cut rate. And si Canada pa naman yung currency na didn't really rate cut before nangyari coronavirus. Kasi ang daming nangyari in 2019 where other banks have cut their rates. Pero si Canada, they stood and they only cut at the very end of the year. Nung nangyari na yung coronavirus, I believe. Pero we'll see. This is a chance to buy Canada pagka di sila nag-cut ng rate. Alright? And let's see here. Thursday. Oh yeah, and also sa US, may USD meron tayong core retail sales. Yeah, definitely this may go up or down. Depends eh. It's really hard to tell kasi nga nung nagkaroon ng coronavirus, ang dami nag-panic buying. So I don't know if that will affect the overall core retail sales. Then again, maraming tindahan na nagsarado. So because the whole quarantine, so definitely this more likely gonna go down. All right. And then Thursday, employment, unemployment change sa AUD. So definitely another interesting heavy news. Now we're gonna see a lot of volatility. Volatility means more opportunity. Now, yep. Let's see. Friday, GDP ng China. So definitely gonna affect AUD and NZD. So definitely gonna keep watch on that. Ngayon, let's take a look at the chart. Kasi last week, I mentioned there was going to be crazy news sa AUD, and one of the best pairs I'm trading right now that I'm currently focusing on is GBP AUD. And it's a very interesting pair. Kasi throughout the whole week, talagang starting Monday, boom, bagsak ng 800 pips. That is insane. Ganun kalakas si AUD last week. And the reason why I said AUD is strong, kasi kung kumpara natin sa mga other currency pairs like GBP Canada, let's look at the daily niya. we're not seeing that much drop. Okay, so meaning malakas talaga si AUD last week. Now, let's look at GBP NZD kasi medyo magkatandem yung dalawa na yan. Not so much kasi nga, although affected si NZD kung ano nangyari kay AUD, the fact is na wala namang masyadong news kay NZD kaya lumakas din siya versus GBP kahit bumagsak din siya. Pero we're not seeing any total bagsak kamukha nito like straight 800 pips. Naka 150 pips lang ako because I traded like around this day. Dito lang ako nag-trade. And then, yun lang. Usually, sa ganitong condition with the whole coronavirus, I try not to swing for now. More like parang ako nag-scalp in a way na I'm gonna go in and get out as fast as I can. Usually, I get out within a couple of hours in a day. Kasi it's a lot of uncertainty dahil sa nangyari nga sa mundo ngayon. So, we don't know exactly kung ano pinaplano ng mga malalaking bangko, central bank, mga market makers. But definitely, it was a good week for me. So sa mga nakasabay sa group page sa Facebook, congratulations, lahat nag-profit. And so, ano kaya mangyayari this week? So we do have the unemployment change. Ngayon, possible, since na-reach niya na yung pinaka-strong support dito, and we can see some reversal, kasi tinan mo, looking at the daily, the expected support is just probably right around here, the lowest, the previous lowest. So ngayon mukhang almost hit niya din, nag-bounce siya. It may go down up to here. It may, all right? It may, pero it really depends. Kaya kung maganda yung news sa AUD, possible bumagsak pa to. Pero kung hindi maganda yung employment change nila this week, possible na mag-reverse siya pataas. Kasi ito yung zone niya. Let's take a look at it. Looking at the daily candles, these are the zones of this. Andito siya. Let me go draw it out. Meron siyang tinatawag na zone area na dito lang naglalaban palagi. So ito naman, up and down, up and down, up and down. Times may taas man, then it would go down. So basically, there's really no trend right now. Looking at the daily candles. Kasi nga, parang naglalaban lang siya. Like, I think it's happening with all the market, most of the market, dahil nga sa coronavirus, medyo hindi pa balance. So, when we do see a breakout like this, so this may test this. Pagka ito nag-bounce dito, it may go down. Pero kung wala naman tayong matang major news, this may just keep going up here. And then it's gonna keep doing that until mawala na yung whole situation sa mundo. Okay? So that's just one thing here. Okay, let me clear this out. Now, GBP Canada, since they have a cut rate this week, pagka hindi sila nag-cut ng rate, possible na bumagsak ito. So let's take a look. It may go down all the way here, dito, or all the way here sa may mismong EMA 200 niya sa daily candle. And that's a lot of pips. Let's take a look. Yes, let's go. Hold on. All right, that's like around 300 pips. Now, okay, hold on. So we'll see. Okay, so that could possibly happen. All right, so could be depende kung, kasi ano pa naman Thursday pa naman tayo makakita ng major news dito. Or Wednesday pala. So it may go down this Wednesday here, or it may go down. Then we're gonna wait for that opportunity. And this could be a really good sell opportunity sa GBP Canada. All right? Definitely gonna update sa group. Nag-post naman ako doon ng mga entry buy or entry sell. Depende sa market. I don't usually do sa Facebook kasi, not sa may YouTube. Kasi dito sa may YouTube is just basically, educational purposes lang naman. Kaya ako nag-post ng video rito. And it's usually for the group members sa Facebook. That's why I'm putting my videos here in YouTube. Kaya kung gusto nyong malaman exactly kung ano nangyari, kung may mga update ko sa mga analysis ko na to, just join our Facebook group. Okay? And make sure you answer the questions honestly and thoroughly para at least maka-join kayo because we don't just let anybody in. Talagang we want to keep it strictly trading. We don't want mga tao nag-promote ng investment, ng mga yung mga electronic assistant na EA trading, yung mga ganun. Okay? So that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Kung may mga questions man kayo or sarili nyong input that you want to share. And if you notice, I'm focusing on GBP by the way kasi this is one of the pairs that ang lalaki ng mga movements. And When there's a lot of big movements, there's a lot of pips to be made. All right? So, yun lang pinafocus ko muna this week. And then, magbabago naman ako ng focus where, you'll see it naman anyways. Or I'll make an announcement. All right? So, thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a profitable week. Okay?